Hey, ready to bake the most delicious chocolate cookies ever? Trust me, you don't need fancy equipment. Just a little bit of cookie confidence. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. Grab a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of softened butter. Cream it together with 1 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. Mix until it's nice and fluffy. I love using a hand mixer here, but a wooden spoon works too. Now for that chocolatey goodness. Add 2 large eggs, one at a time, and a splash of vanilla extract. Mix it all up until it's smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now slowly add your dry ingredients to your wet mixture. Stir until just combined. Don't overmix. Fold in a cup of chocolate chips. I love using dark chocolate, but go wild with whatever you like. Scoop out tablespoon-sized balls of dough onto a lined baking sheet, spacing them out so they don't become one giant cookie. Pop them in the oven for 10-12 minutes, just until the edges are set, but the centers look a little soft. Let them cool for a few minutes, if you can wait that long. And there you have it. Chocolate cookies that are crispy on the edges, chewy in the center, and oh so chocolatey. Try this recipe and let me know how your cookies turn out. Happy baking!